In today's video, I'm going to show you how to email tasks directly into ClickUp, so you can turn emails into actionable tasks without manually copying anything. This is perfect if you get a lot of work requests by email and want everything organized automatically inside ClickUp. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your workspace, look at the left-hand panel. Scroll down and click on More to expand additional options. From the menu that appears, click on Apps. This is where ClickUp manages all integrations and email features. Inside the Apps section, find Gmail Email and click on it. This integration allows ClickUp to receive and process emails as tasks. Once you're on the Gmail email page, click on Configure. Here, ClickUp will generate a unique email address that's linked to your workspace, space, folder, or list, depending on your setup. This email address is what you'll use to send tasks directly into ClickUp. Now, anytime you want to create a task from an email, simply send or forward an email to this ClickUp email address. The email subject becomes the task name, and the email body becomes the task description. Attachments in the email will also be added directly to the task, saving you even more time. You can customize where these email tasks land by adjusting the configuration settings, such as default assignee, priority, or location. Once everything is set up, you're ready to start turning emails into ClickUp tasks automatically. And that's it. You now know how to email tasks into ClickUp and keep your work organized without extra steps. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy ClickUp guides.